ലൈറ്റ് ഇല്ലേ? ആ. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, I took time to come to the class because I had a class in 4th floor. So take time to come down.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm late. So far, how many students? 5
So
students?
standing in second floor.
Yeah, I am now in 2nd floor. 4th floor plus 1, plus 2 classes are there. So we have to come from there when there's a continuous class. Since the lift is not working, then we have to come by ourselves. Okay, students, today we are going to have a new class, new chapter. So term we are going to start. These are the same students who come to the class. I can't see other students. Okay, Vinayak, Nikila, Aksan, Christo, Adnan, Alia, on your videos, please. Anandida, on the video, please. Okay. Okay, children. So this is very common question we teachers ask you. Either on the video or we ask another question. Am I audible? All the teachers. Okay. So our next chapter is based on the word audibility or whether we are audible. You could hear me and I can hear you. Why? Anyone? I am somewhere. I am in the school. You are in different places. But
Because of the headset.
because of the headset. So when you use the headset, what do you hear from it?
Sound.
Sound.
Our sounds. Your sounds.
Okay. Yeah. That means you can hear me and I can hear you. So our next chapter is sound. Okay. How could you hear? Because you, all of you are different locations. But still you can hear me. Of course, it's a mic set. But through the mic set, you will able to hear the words what I speak. But do you think through the wire is the sound is moving?
No.
No. Then what else? What else is moving?
That
Vibration.
Vibration.
power vibrations.
Yes, vibrations. Or we can say that sound is a wave. It's a wave. You must have seen sea waves. It's just like this, correct? So that is known as wave. So sound is a wave or vibration. So waves are produced due to vibration. Waves are produced due to vibration. Okay, so waves are produced, sound is a wave and waves are produced due to vibration. So, do you think all the objects vibrate?
No.
Okay, I will do one activity now. Hira, do you have the notebook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you take that book in your hand and raise it? Can you just tap hard on that book? Tap. It's not so hard, it's very soft. Tap hard.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Jeff, do you have a table in front of you? Do you have
Yes.
Just tap on the table. Just tap on the table. Tap. Yes. Okay, little more hard, Jeff. Little more hard.
Hard.
Just, okay. Now, I am asking question to Alan. Yeah, some are there. Some are still, who is tapping more here? Okay. Yeah, Alan. Now, Hira tapped on the book and Jeff tapped on the table. Which sound you heard more? Is it tapping on the book or tapping on the table? Tapping on the table. Tapping on the book also you heard. Okay, correct. Anugrah. Okay, now you see me. Among this book and table, whose vibration you saw? Is it book's vibration you saw it or table's vibration?
Tables.
Did you see the table of Jeff?
No.
Now visible to you what? Book.
I only make sound, ma'am.
You only make a sound. Jeff, did you see the vibration of the table when you tap it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see table was shaking? No? Oh, no. Table is little more heavy. Okay. So it is not easy for us to see the vibration sometimes. But the book is lighter. So when Hira has tapped it, you can see the book is shaking. So some vibrations are visible, some vibrations are not visible. Okay. But every object in the universe vibrates. So due to vibration, we could hear the sound. So this sound, this vibration which we experience through different, we call it table is a medium. The book is a medium. So any object which vibrate, we call it as a medium of sound. Any object which vibrate, we call it as a medium of sound. Okay. Rudra, can you tell me any of the musical instruments which vibrate and produce sound? Guitar.
Guitar.
Okay. Alia, give me another musical instrument name. Violin. Nikila, another one. Drums. Okay. Aksan, give me another name of musical instrument. Piano. Okay. Salim,
Tabla.
give me tabla. Vinayak, give
Tabla.
me another name. Vinayak, give me another name.
Chenda.
Chenda. Okay. Joseph, give me another name. So many names. Drums over. Drums, guitar, veena, anything. So many musical instruments. Harmonium. Yes, correct. Piano. Trumpet. Okay. Christo, can you give me another musical instrument's name? Violin. Okay. Violin already said. Anything which so many music instruments. Anything you remember?
Organ.
Organ. Mouth organ. Very good. Where is
Flute.
Flute. So all these are musical instruments. They are medium. Medium means they transmit the sound. Okay. Now I am asking you. In guitar, which part of the body vibrate? Is this entire guitar or some part?
Some part.
Which is the name of that part in a guitar?
That is
String. Okay.
String.
String start vibrating. Okay. Tabla.
Vibrating when our
tabla.
hands shaking.
Top of the.
Tabla. Our
Tabla.
hand is taking.
Yes.
Our hand is
top of the Kottal no na tapping. Okay, sorry. Kottal means tapping. Tap. Okay. So that's it. Now you call that tabalas, that vibrating part we call as in name membrane, stretched membrane. Okay.
Membrane.
So, membrane. Where is easy board? So stretched membrane. So tabla, mridangam, chenda, all these, the vibrating part is stretched membrane. But guitar, then we have veena, then tamburu, all this we vibrate with our hands is the string. Okay. Harmonium, which is the vibrating part in harmonium?
That front part.
Front part which you use your hand and just close and down. So you press that each notes We call it that notes, wooden notes. So you'll get sari, gama, padanisa. So then according to that you stretch. So it is also a stretched membrane. It is also a stretched
membrane.
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 Okay. Yeah. Stretched
sir.
membrane. So let me open the easy board for you. So you can write. Now, we also learned in 7th standard heat. Do you remember the
Yes,
chapter heat?
Yes.
What is the definition of the chapter heat? How do you learn that definition of the heat? Heat is a heat is something which tell us to you which is hot, which is cold.
Which is cold.
But how does the heat transfer?
By water.
By water. By water. There are 3 modes you learn: conduction,
Conduction.
convection,
Convection.
and radiation.
Radiation.
Okay, in that you have learned heat is a form of energy. Do you remember? You have learned
Yes.
heat is a form of
Form
energy,
of energy.
which gives sensation. Which gives sensation of what did you hear? Which gives sensation of hotness or coldness. Okay, which gives sensation
Yes.
of hotness or
Hotness and
coldness.
coldness.
Can you tell me the same definition in terms of sound? Can you just modify? So what is definition of sound? Sound is a
Vibration.
Vibration.
is it sound is energy or not? Because sound, light, heat, all this. What do you think? All heat also travel like waves. You know, that's what when you stand near the fire, even you don't touch it, you feel warmth. Because if you stand under the sun, you feel it.
Because of
That is that
vibration.
also travels. It's a vibration or it's a waves. Okay, it's a wave.
Yes.
So how can you modify a definition for sound like heat?
Sound is an energy.
Yes, sound is an energy which give
Which
what
is,
sensation?
Vibration.
Vibration.
Okay, that is how sound is produced. Sound is produced due to vibration. My question is, sound is a form of energy which give. How do you know there is a sound? How do you know sound?
Because of our
By
hearing.
hearing. So we can define the sound is a form of energy which give sensation to our ear. So definition of sound is a form of energy which give sensation to our ear. So everyone, that sound is a form of energy. Right, just like a short note you write. Sound is a form of energy which give sensation to our ear.
Ear.
Yeah, ear. Next you can write. Next you can write. Next you can write. How does sound produce? Right. How does sound produce? Next one, how does sound produce? How does sound produce? You already told me. How does sound produce? Tell me.
By vibration.
Write down. Sound is produced
Sound is produced by the vibration.
due to
Vibration.
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 Vibration of particles.
Particles.
Yeah, vibration of the particles.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. So write down. Sound is produced due to vibration of particles in a medium. It's not completed. How does sound produce? How does sound produce?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, below that you write types of medium. Types of medium.
Finish, ma'am.
Types of medium. Can you tell me? Medium means what? I already told you what is medium. What is medium?
Any object that vibrates.
Yes, any of the objects. So you can write medium is anything which transfer energy. So here in this chapter you are learning about sound. But when you talk about heat, there are also medium. When you talk about light, there are also medium. So you can have a general definition. Medium is anything which transfer energy. Medium is anything which medium is anything which transfer energy. Types of medium. Under that you can write medium is anything which transmit energy.
Transmit energy.
Transfer energy or transmit energy, both ways, either transmit or either transfer. Can you tell me
Finish, ma'am.
a general name of this media? How many types of medium we have?
3.
3. Which are these 3?
Radiation.
Wave.
That is, how does heat transfer? I just asked you to come to the definition of sound. Now leave the heat. Now we are in sound. We have 3 types of medium. Table. Table belong to which medium?
Membrane.
Membrane.
No. In our daily life, daily life, how many types of matter is there? Types of matter. How many types? You have learned. Which
3.
are those 3? Which are those 3?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Solid.
Then solid
Gases.
and
Gas.
gas. Okay.
Gases.
So these 3 are the medium. So when you talk about table and the book, both are solid medium. Water. Did the water produce the sound?
Yes.
Did water? Yes, of course. You know it, no? The waves when they come to the beach, yeah? Water sound. And you just give a splash. You just
Splash.
pour the water or it gives produce. So sound also transfer through liquid. Okay.
Liquid.
Then, will it transfer through gas? Yes, that's what. Even you are not here, you can hear me. That means my sound can be transferred through air.
We can hear.
Then come to when they come to the mic. Okay, so mic will capture. Actually, the sound is produced due to vibration of air particles when I close and open the mouth. But what happened? Mic is an artificial device which captures the sound energy. Mic is a electrical device. Whenever I produce the sound, instead of going out, it will capture. So not only you are hearing me, there are some teachers are sitting in the classroom. They are also able to hear my class. So that means sound not only transferring through the mic. So how much sound I produce, according to that, the mic capture that sound energy, then converted into electrical energy. When it is traveled through the wire, it convert into electrical energy. And when it reached your headset is a small loudspeaker. Headset is a small loudspeaker. And again that loudspeaker convert electrical energy into sound energy. That is what you are able to hear me. Clear? Okay. So sound will transfer through all 3 media. Medium, plural is media. That is why we are learning mass media. We don't say mass mediums. We say mass media. Radio, TV, satellite. Okay. So we have 3 types of media. One is solid. Second one is liquid. And third one is gases. Gases and air. So air to that. Clear? So
yes, ma'am.
yeah. Now My next question. Jeff, tap on the table. Hira, tap on the book. You could hear the sound. Will you able to hear the same amount of sound when you tap it on the water?
No.
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 So, which sound is more?
Table.
Table. So, the sound transmit through every medium, but the sound hearing is different. So, solids, you will hear the sound more than water and the gases. Okay. Why? Because the speed of the sound is faster in solids. So, in water, it takes more time to transmit, but in solids, the sound transfers faster. So, next point is sound transfer. Under that, sound transfer, or we can write transmit also. Both are same. Transfer or transmit in solids faster than liquids and gases.
Yes.
Very important point for your MCQ question. Okay. In which medium sound travel faster?
Gases.
Solid, liquid, gas. Sometimes I'll give you table, water, hydrogen gas. Then which one you will pick up as correct?
Table.
Table. Okay. So you already know MCQ1 have the questions. So like that only going to be the second term also. Okay. So sound transfer. So you should learn solids, liquid, gases. Not only that, you should know which are the solids, which are the liquids, which are the gases. Okay. So sound transfer or transmit in solids faster than liquids and gases. What is the reason? Because what is the reason? Speed of sound. Speed of sound is more in solids. Solids than liquids and gases. So these are the two questions. The reason of the sound travels faster in solids because option will be speed of sound is more, speed of sound is minimum, speed of sound is 0. So which one will be the correct answer? Speed of sound is more, speed of sound is minimum, speed of sound is 0. So which is the correct option? Sound travels faster in solids. Then MCQ options are like this. Speed of sound is more, sound is minimum, sound is 0. Which is the correct option? You should write.
Sound is more.
Sound is more. Okay. Why? Because you have already learned the reason for it. Speed of sound is more in solids than liquids and gases. Okay. That means
Yes, ma'am.
solids greater than liquids, then greater than gases. That means minimum sound in gases, maximum sound in solids. Liquids is medium. That is more than, less than liquids, greater than gases. So liquids sound travels less than solids but greater than gases. So least speed. The least speed is for gases. Liquids is less speed and solids is more speed. So more, less, least. Okay. So in which medium the sound travels the least? So your answer should be gases.
Yes.
Suppose if I give you some examples of gases, you should tick that one. Okay. And be careful, children, because in the previous MCQ2 questions, some of the students are ticked correct answer. I don't know, by mistake or something. You think you ticked it. By mistake, your hand must have touched on the wrong answer. So in your mind, your belief is that you give the correct answer. So these are 2-3 problems that some children had. Okay. Suppose you tick the correct answer, it will be shown in the entire Google Drive, because whatever answers you have ticked, the sheet is there. Okay. We can make out from the sheet. Question number 20, which answer you ticked. Question number 30. So automatically it will not change. Automatically it will not change. Maybe by mistake you touch the first one and it has got ticked. So you are not noticed that it went wrong. Sometimes it happened to me also like that. Okay, when I making question paper, I ticked the correct answer, but when the question come, it was wrong answer. So by mistake, I must have ticked like that. So that is the problem of this internet, because it is very sensitive, especially touch screen. If it is button, no problem. Touch always have a problem. Okay. Even I am taking the class here. Sometimes my shawl may touch on the screen and these letters will move somewhere. So I am not aware of it. That much sensitive is that all these boards. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, children. So I am now going to give you a homework for you. You will do it at home in your ruled sheets. So you have to write chapter 13, sound. So if you go to page number 159. Okay, this is your page of your book. Page number 159. You have a table here. Musical instruments and their vibrating parts. Already it is given 2 musical instruments and its vibrating parts. You have to fill it. You have to draw this table. Copy down the table in your ruled sheets, and then you have to write it down another 5 musical instruments and the vibrating part. Okay. If you know the name of the vibrating part, you can search for it in the net. Vibrating part of drum, vibrating part of trumpet, what it is called. Flute. Tell me, what is the vibrating part of the flute? It has a string? The flute has a string or not?
No string.
No.
No string. Is it has a stretched membrane?
Yes.
Flute?
No.
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 So what will be the vibrating part in that?
Full is vibrating.
Air. Okay. In flute, inside there are small holes are there. When you blow with your mouth, you are vibrating the air inside the flute. So vibrating part of the flute is air column. In physics, we call it as a small part of air. We call it air column. So vibrating part of the flute is air column. Mouth organ also. There are small holes. So actually when you blow with your air, you are vibrating that air inside. Then the sound is produced. How the sound is produced? When you force the air into the flute, the inside the air, it starts vibrating and it will come out through the hole. So when they come out through small hole, it will be compressed. Air will be compressed. So that is why that sound is heard. Okay. Just like you make whistle. We make whistles like this. What are you doing? We are putting the air inside. We are forcing the air through small part. If I use like that. Alan, can you just whistle it? Because I can't do. Anyone? Just to show. Very good, Alan. So just to see.
Not
Alan. Then who? Salin. Me only. Alan also, I can see him. He also whistling. Salin, once again. Okay. See, did you look at the lips of the Salin? See, he made that lips into a small hole. So that is the why. So when he is whistling, he is forcing the air inside the mouth to compress. So air is forced to come through that small hole. So that is why the sound is heard. Clear? Just like tapping the table. So the table is made up of the particle. When I tap on the table, the particle which made of the table start vibrating. You already know. Suppose it is a solid. Why it is vibrate? Solid, all the particles are closely packed. So when I tap on it, what happened? Where I tap, that particle start vibrating. And since that is in close contact with the second particle start vibrating. Then second particle in contact with the third particle, so third particle start vibrating. So like that vibrate transmits. This is what happened when I speak. When I speak, the air in surrounding area of my lips start vibrating. Then that air vibrate to the next air, like that. Because air consists of gas molecules. Hydrogen is there, oxygen is there, nitrogen is there. So all these are atoms. So particles means the particles of the gases which is inside the air. So when you breathe in, we are taking the oxygen. Oxygen we are getting from the air. Okay, we are getting the oxygen from the air. So that's why we are able to breathe in. And we release carbon dioxide. That is also in the air. So it also vibrates. Clear? So this is how sound is transmitting. Clear? So tomorrow, next class, that means next week, please do this and you have to study. Okay. Before winding up the section, these are some activities. Go through the activities to understand. Activities are just showing you how the solids vibrate. So this activity you remember. You can feel it. You can do by yourself. That means if you tie a steel vessel, because steel make more sound than plastic and glass. So speed of sound is maximum in steel vessels. So that is why one steel vessel fall down. When cat enters, suppose steel vessel fall down or it opens, you will able to recognize that cat is entered in the kitchen. Because steel, the speed of sound is fastest than glass, plastic and wood. Okay. So steel is more faster. Steel, after steel, less is iron, then aluminium, it goes on like that. Okay. So wood, rubber, plastic, all these won't produce much sound as it is in the steel vessel. Suppose I drop a steel vessel in the next class, we can make out. Suppose if it is complete silence, we can make out something is fall down in that nearby corner. Because from steel, sound is faster. So you can feel this vibration just like this boy. He tap on that steel vessel, you touch it. After tapping, you touch that with your hand. You can see some kind of vibrations in your hand. So this is to feel it. Similarly, you know my 8B students, you do some naughty things in your class with rubber band and paper pieces. What is Salin that? What is that, Salin? See how innocently you are smiling. You also must have threw that paper pieces at any one of your classmates. Correct? What do you do? Stretch the rubber band. Put the paper
And
pieces.
paper and
Yes. And you release it.
Yes.
So paper pieces, because of the vibration of that rubber comes and stick it and come back with that force. Paper pieces just fall on the person whom you are aim at. No? Hira, did you experience the paper pieces are some are throwing in your class? Some naughty fellows, this ones. Harsh was there, he would have done it, no? Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sachin? Andrew?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
All are there.
all are there. Even girls also very good, I know it. I have seen the girls also throwing it. Okay. So,
Yes.
it's simple. So, that's a science behind it. Even it is a funny thing. But if you look at this, the science is vibration. Okay. Vibration of the electric. So, this is one activity where you can do it. That means keep the pencil, pluck it. You pluck that rubber band, it start vibrating. Even your scale, no?
Yes.
You hold it and it just, you hold it and just do this. near the edge of the table. It will go kada 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 sound. Okay. So these are so many simple activities for you to understand vibration. And this is the understanding vibration in the water. If you take a water, just put a spoon into it, or you tap on that, you can see the water will start vibrating. Just tap on the edge of the water, edge of the dish, you can see the water waves inside, correct? A splash of water. So this is taking a spoon at the edge of the steel vessel. It is consists of water. You can see the water waves here. Then this is air. It's Ektara. Ektara is a UP instrument where this people, Benjaron means those who are on the street. They used to go to the houses playing that to get money. That is Ektara. So that is vibration of air. Then Kadam. This is famous in Tamil Nadu. Kadam. It's called known as Kadam. It is Indian musical instrument. You don't see this is in abroad. So it is Katam. So the words are Katam. This is Ektara.
Yes, I have seen.
You have seen it, no? Especially
Like tabla.
Like tabla, Tamil Nadu movies, no? During the wedding ceremony, this will be a famous thing. Okay, children? So just go through all these activities. Okay, another activity you can see is this one. This one, if you fill different type of water, different amount of water in different tumbler. So you going on tapping on each tumbler, you can see the difference in hearing the sound. Okay, you will able to hear the sound in different volume. 1, 2. So just try yourself. What is the difference in that?
Like piano.
Like piano. Yeah. Din, 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 din. It goes like that. Okay. So that's it. Okay, children. So we are winding up our session. So do that table. Draw the table. By this end of the week, I will send the notes to you. Please copy it down. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only this many students today. Hardly.
Thank you, ma'am.
10
Only 10 students.
Yeah. Beginning there were so many. I think 2, 3 more are there. No idea.